All right, this is our last full day here, and we are leaving Tombstone and headed over into the Chiricahua Mountains to find Johnny Ringo's gravesite and pay our respects. We're going to run over there and spend a little bit of time and then head back to Tucson. But in the meantime, look at the clouds and all right over the mountains. It's really pretty ominous.
Oh, ominous is a better word.
Ominous, majestic. You can tell that a front came through. Weather's a little different today. So we're going to go grab some breakfast at the OK Cafe, and then we're going to head out.
Well, it was good seeing you again. Hope to see you soon.
Rye toast with the seeds. Let's hear it for simple pleasures.
Oh, really?
I got biscuits and gravy and grits and bacon. Fairly light breakfast. Because we're looking to have a nice lunch later on. All right, we're going to be headed out to the Chiricahua Mountains now. All right, we've arrived at Johnny Ringo's grave. We're going to go on in and pay our respects. All right, we just finished visiting Johnny Ringo's grave. Do you have any thoughts?
So many. I'm feeling really appropriately touched by it. And, you know, I just can't stop thinking about the fact that he had such trauma early in life. And, you know, how that was integral to who he was and how he lived after that. And you know, it speaks to that bigger issue about mental health and things that are misunderstood, and you know, how someone's whole system is impacted by that kind of trauma. So, you know, this idea of, you know, the horrible, crazy outlaw, you know, who knows how much of an element of that there was. Certainly he was not a law-abiding citizen. However, we've had feedback that he was, when sober, quite the gentleman, respectful of women, kind of got the feeling protective of women, possibly because of that early tragedy putting him at the helm of the family, of the man of the family. So I think it's a really, really interesting consideration to contrast with all the Hollywood sort of, and like you'd said, the winners are the ones that write the history. So of course Wyatt Earp is not going to be like Johnny Ringo was so awesome and we really suck, you know. It was very touching. Thank you for making that happen, sweetie.
Sure thing. All right, I'm going to give you one more pan around, looking at this just beautiful, beautiful vistas from here. I mean, if you're going to go, this is a great place to go. So let's take a quick look around, and then we're going to shut you down. Not whatever. We're going to shut the camera down, and we're going to drive 3 hours back to Tucson. We're going to turn in our rental, and basically this rest of this video is going to be us traveling home. All right, so let's take a quick look around, a last look for you guys at this beautiful, beautiful landscape. It's 4:45 in the morning on our last day here. We're on our way to the airport. We've got a 7 a.m. flight, so we're going to have to be there at 5 to get through security, etc. So we're on our way there right now. All right, we're in our car. Got here, got our bags, got on the shuttle to the garage. We're in our car, and we're going to drive home now. So one more step, and we're done. We'll see you there.